Welcome back. In this, we are going to understand the Kubernetes namespace. Here is the official documentation for the namespace, and as per the official documentation, it says namespace provide a mechanism for isolating group of resources within a single cluster. You can think of it as creating a separate section within the same space. So each section can have its own unique set of resources. Second point, it says name of the resources need to be unique within a namespace, but not across the namespace. That means you cannot have duplicate name for pod, service, deployment in a single namespace, but you can have the same name in different namespaces. Later we'll do the demo for this so that you can understand this point better. The third point is, which is also an important point, namespace-based scoping is applicable only for namespace object, for example, deployment, service, pod, etc., and not for the cluster-wide resources like storage class, nodes, persistent volume. So that means namespace is not applicable for all the Kubernetes resources. In the demo, we see which all resources are supported, which resources are not supported. We can create our own namespaces, but there are default namespace as well. Like default, whenever we are creating any resource, if we are not going to provide the namespace information, then it is going to create in the default namespace. Kube node lease, kube public. If we need to deploy a pod service which is accessible by the public, then we can use this namespace. Kube-system, this is for the Kubernetes system resources